Hey guys, so today, if you don't know, is Caleb's birthday. And so we are back at Party City and we are getting some PJ Masks. We're having a PJ Masks theme party. So that's what we're getting. And yep. So we're just gonna be shopping for that. But before we start this video, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for post notification shoutouts and to get our latest content right on time. Alright? So let's go. So we got table decorations. We got a banner. And we got masks. I'm just looking for a tablecloth. Okay, wait, these are napkins. I thought that was tablecloth. Alright, so I guess we need plates.
These or plastic?
The plastic.
But they don't have their own.
You know,
Let's get two of them.
Okay. Yeah. Then you want to get these two?
No, they can drink right there.
Okay. Alright.
So we got tablecloth. Okay, and now what else we need? We got cupcakes.
You need plates.
Oh, they're only $2.99. It's a small gathering, guys. It's not a huge party. Due to COVID.
Yeah.
I think this says 8.
What about these?
What do you think? Too much noise?
Whatever you need. I mean, this for them.
Alright, that's good. Do we have napkins?
Oh, sorry.
You should probably get that.
Okay. That's it.
Alright.
Persons, yeah. We're gonna have pizza. We probably just need to go get something to drink. Pizza, fruit salad, fruit platter, salad.
Ooh.
And that's it.
Oh, okay. So this done, we're about to leave Party City. So we're gonna get some balloons.
What is it, red and blue?
And green. Now let me tell you guys, PJ Masks, now even though I'm a little bit too old to watch it, it's still my favorite show.
Is this green?
Yeah, I mean, oh, you know what? It might look like this green. I don't know.
Oh, we'll do.
Yeah, this one looks closer.
6 should be blue.
Okay, so we are back inside of the car.
Hello! Hello!
Happy birthday, Kayla.
No,
It's his birthday, not the cameras. It's his birthday. So happy birthday, Kayla.
Okay. But anyway, we just left out of Party City. And yeah, we're actually going to be going for some more runs to prepare for Caleb's birthday. Joshie is saying hi.
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 Let's put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so we are at 5 Below. And yep.
Okay, we're going inside now.
No. Come on. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to Sugar Rush. So we had got some Black Forest gummy bears. The gummy burgers didn't really work out. We couldn't find them. Okay, so we're back because there's a situation with the balloons, so we have to go take it back. And right now we're at Party City. again. So somehow there is a hole
Somewhere around here.
in the PJ Masks.
Yeah, we just got it.
Yeah, I don't know where the hole is or how it got a hole. Wait, where? No, I think that's just part of the balloon.
Oh.
But somewhere there is a hole in that balloon. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take it back. Okay, so we got it fixed. And so now we're gonna go back home and decorate. Alright guys, so we're back home and we got all of the decorations up. We have a PJ Masks Happy 4th Birthday banner. We have some birthday silly party streamers. We got masks for the PJ Masks. We got Catboy, we have Owlet, and we have Gecko. And we also have, what do they call these, kazoos? And we have, I don't know what this is called, but this is really festive. There's Luna Girl, Romeo, there's the PJ Masks, Gecko, Catboy, Owlet, and we have our juice bowl. And it has the colors red, blue, and green. We also got napkins, and we got plates. This is all PJ Masks. Yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. Thank you, Mallory. This is Night Ninja. I wish they made it better. This is Night Ninja and the Ninjalinos.
Wait, if you come from here, it looks better. Come here.
I think so. Wait,
You see it?
right there?
Yeah, where you can't see that middle part.
Wait, I would have to like zoom into it like a lot. Yeah, it kind of looks better. It's just that the thing is split his face.
Have to get the gummies.
Yep.
Oh boy.
We got
No, Mallory.
No, picky.
Watch
No.
out.
We got. You can have some later, not now. You gotta wait. Okay, so we got our gummies. And so, yeah. Alright. I really think this looks nice. And this is kind of in the way. Birthday, but it's alright. Alright. So, that's it. Oh. What? Oh, we also have PJ Masks balloon. I really like that balloon. And we also got some cupcakes. This is red velvet.
Red velvet cream cheese.
Oh, okay. Whoop.
Red
Mallory.
velvet cream cheese.
Well, I just heard the
So
cream
red,
cheese part because I don't think that's good.
Cream cheese frosting is good.
It's good on
Yeah.
cupcake?
Yes, it's
Okay.
Cream cheese frosting, not cream cheese.
I'm like, cream cheese, that's a good.
Yeah, no, that's totally different.
Gotcha.
And we have a salad.
I'm fine with the red velvet.
And they're making stuff in the kitchen. So, yep, this is how party's gonna be, and we're just gonna have fun.
This needs to be separated.
It's fine.
Oh, you like it?
It's fine. It really don't even matter.
Okay.
It don't even matter. But we're just gonna have fun. Hope you guys have fun watching this video too. So we went to go and get Serenity's walker. And so while we were there, Malachi and I, well, it was actually Malachi's idea. We thought it would be a good idea to, where'd it go? Excuse me. To get this. So basically, oh, it's upside down. So basically it is a PJ Masks mega mat. And you also have this car inside of here. There you go. You have this car inside of here. And yeah, Malachi thought about getting this, so he's really generous for it. And also because we know our brothers, we had to get one for Josh because he would have been trying to play with Caleb's, and then I'm pretty sure we all know what would have happened. But yep, so good job to Mally for that. And we also have some more presents out right here, but yep. And we're just waiting for everything to be ready so we can get this party started. Okay, so it looks like the party is about to get ready. It's about to get started. We got presents right there. We got family right here. We got Granny. We got Auntie Lala, Gama. We got baby Serenity. Yeah, she likes to take her sock off. And as you all know, yours truly and Armour Mom. And actually Armour Dad and Malachi went to go and get the babies that fell asleep, and so that we had to wake them up to get the party started. Happy birthday! Come here.
Happy birthday! Yay! Love. Oh.
Look it. Look at me. Whoa. Who's this? Who is this? Who's that? That's your favorite? Who's this? You got cupcakes. So this was your favorite? Okay. Let's go. Woo!
Cat boy.
You know what? Okay.
Yeah, what?
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday!
You got pizza. You got gummies. You got a whole bunch of stuff. So, are you ready?
Cat boy.
Yay!
You gotta blow. Right here. Go. Go.
Blow.
Oh no.
Oh goodness, he's
Trying.
Show 'em.
Okay. Caleb, look. Look. Hey. Right here. You go blow.
I'm in the middle of it.
Try it.
Oh, there you
Yay!
All right, Josh, you want one?
Let me
Yay!
give him a gift card.
All right. Y'all ready to eat?
You want the thing?
Yay!
You wanna put this on? You wanna keep it on?
He don't want it.
You want one?
No, Joshy get gecko.
Josh,
You gotta give it to Josh.
Put it on.
Put yours on, Caleb.
Gecko. Ooh.
I get go, Caleb. Caleb, I get
Hey,
go.
here, put yours on.
Huh? You want to put it on? Okay.
Look, I got go.
Yay!
You want to keep it on?
You look nice.
Oh, you're so handsome. Look at
You
you.
like it? Oh, you want another stream? No, wait. You got one right here.
Oh, you like the all one? You like all of it?
You got some silly string right there.
All right, we about to eat.
Yeah, we have fun. Woo!
Look at your brother.
Wait, look, Joshy.
I love it.
Joshy.
Yeah, you.
Who's that masked man? Oh, look at this.
Joshy. Aww.
All right.
Caleb,
We
got
about to
gummy
have
bears.
fun.
You got one already?
Oh, Lord.
Oh,
I want the whole bowl.
wait a
No,
minute.
You can't eat the whole bowl. Listen, this is Caleb's first time ever having
Gummy bear.
gummy bears. We don't give him candy,
Oh,
but it's his first time
and he eats.
and the right time. And he's trying to eat the whole bowl. Look at him.
Oh, he's grabbing like it's
These are mine. Y'all can have that.
Wow.
Yeah! This is Josh's That's yours.
That's yours.
You like
All right, Caleb.
it?
Can't eat the whole
That's
bowl.
yours, baby.
Happy birthday, son.
Okay. All right, let's eat. You ready to eat?
Let's eat. We getting some food ready. Getting some food.
No. That.
Want salad? Give me a salad.
Yeah, I love some salad.
Me too.
Where do you go to a kid party and a salad and fruit?
Nowhere.
Let's go.
And we got some fruit. Oh, I love this fruit.
No.
I'm hungry.
We eat with everyone else.
Bring me to a plate.
Wait a minute. I forgot my mask.
We got the kids stuff too.
Yeah, you like that too?
You want that one? Oh, let me find the
know.
second one for Jack.
This is huge.
Yeah.
Gotta warm it up a little bit. Probably have to warm it up.
Oh, okay.
And then cheers or what?
No, it can sit there.
Here you go, baby.
Big boy. He is officially out.
Here you go, baby.
He is officially out.
Eat
of
your
the
pizza. Look,
Oh, Jack didn't
your
try mine.
favorite
Oh, wait.
food, pizza.
No more of these, so you eat your
Yeah,
pizza,
eat your
baby.
pizza.
No more.
Yeah, Mama.
Eat these first.
Yep. Oh, look at Gamma.
Blue or green?
Tight. All right.
Looking nice.
What I'm saying. That's
Which
what
one?
I'm saying.
Right.
Green?
We got Mally
Okay.
here. I need to try mine on.
Blue? Here you go.
That's supposed to be used to look at me, not at you. Okay, let me see how I look.
Ew.
Got it?
I'm just kidding.
Let me see.
It's a little.
Oh, okay.
I like the blue.
We getting some
Oh,
food.
you can get which one you want. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you do what you want, Lala.
Did she drink the bottle?
No, it's ready for her.
How do you open this?
Yeah, but mama.
Thank you.
Get some salad,
Coming
our juice bowl, fruit, pizza.
No more of that, Caleb.
We got some
Eat your
gummies,
pizza first.
cupcakes. We got,
Y'all gotta whip to that candy.
yeah.
He in trouble.
That don't make no sense, right?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh,
It's okay.
Yep, this gonna be fun. Okay, we got Dad's plate.
Got a little croutons. Got a little fruit. Just a little something.
Okay, so now we are gonna be showing them their presents, and first off is
Jayla. You want to hit it out? Okay. Here, let me open the box.
Show the camera what it is.
No, you don't open
I'm
it.
gonna open the box.
so
Oh, sorry. That's what I thought you said get her.
You want to watch it.
There's
You wanna look at it.
so we have a car inside of here, a PJ Masks car,
Catboy, his favorite character.
and we have a board mat.
He's excited.
You ready?
Yep, you gotta get Josh one.
Can't open it. Wait.
Can't wait. Hold on. Don't open the big bag. Look at that big bag.
Yeah, the big one.
4 is happy. 4 is fun. 4 is what you are. It says, hope that birthday. Number 4 is your very, very best so far. Guess what it's from? Look. You gotta read it. Who is it from? Look. Happy birthday, baby. You are loved. Granny, Auntie Lala, Ashley, and Nick. Yay! All right, now let's
Okay,
see.
now open.
Wow.
Get it out. Get one. Oh, what, one. Here. Take this one out. Here. You like it?
Turn to the camera.
Check you out. Turn to the camera.
Say, look.
Wow.
See what else you got.
Look.
a PJ Masks shirt. Yeah, PJ Masks. Wait, oh, so I'm gonna hold it? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it. Put it over here. Are you ready for the next one? Oh, careful, careful. You got this? Okay. You got this?
Wow, I like that.
Let me help you. There you go.
Yay!
Look. Bring it to the camera.
Thank you, Joshy. Thank you, Joshy. We're gonna put it this way. See, look. Boom. Hold it right here.
Look, yeah.
Oh, let's show it to the camera. Ooh, you go. Ready for this one? Go.
What else you got, baby?
Wait.
Whoa. That'd be too much.
Show that camera.
Yeah, look at that.
Ooh.
Yay!
Okay, what else you got? Wow, I like that one. Oh, you excited about that one?
He likes dinosaurs. Try this one out. Oh, wait, give me that.
Alright. What is that?
Look, turn it around, turn it around.
Oh, okay.
You gotta go to the camera.
Lee. For a second, I thought it said Levi. Oh, what's that? Wow.
Okay, let's put this on here. This came off.
It's alright.
It came off. Yes, it came off.
But yeah,
Okay, there. Okay.
there's Air Jordan.
What's that?
Ooh, is that a watch?
It's the communicator thing. They push it when they.
Wow.
Yay!
Oh my goodness.
You officially catboard
The
now.
extra battery is
You got catboard.
Okay. Yay, baby. You happy?
This thing?
What else
Yeah,
you
give
got?
that to your dad.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. All right, Kayla.
All right.
Mally, let me.
Excited.
He's like, what you gonna do with that?
Ooh, champion.
Show to Micah, show to Micah.
Look.
Turn
Yeah.
around.
This champion. I love this outfit.
What your brother got?
Oh, you got another champion.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's for you. Because I already got one.
You got so much to just share.
Right.
Wow.
That's how you do, Caleb. That's how
That's Fila.
That's nice.
You still want to do this one? You did this
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
They trying to open it?
Open it now.
Okay.
Oh, you want to open it now?
Here. Where's the thing at the bottom?
Josh, he's finna come play.
Joshie, don't come play. Where is Joshie?
Oh, wait there.
You guys.
Let me open it. Guys, let me go.
Huh.
Oh, he's showing him this.
We have a few games, I think, on there.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, okay. Wait. That's Caleb's.
Yeah, this is Caleb.
See the Lala got you?
You got tear.
All right, here you go, Caleb.
You ready for that one?
You got tape on it.
He from this country.
Look at cardboard. There's cardboard.
To your dad. Let your dad open it.
You gotta open this first. Okay, wait. Don't think it's gonna be on the ground. This. Where's the wing? Where's the wing?
The mat.
The wing. Oh,
The wing right there. That's right, Caleb.
there you go. And then this. Oh no, this is. Oh yeah.
So then there's 2 more.
And then it goes down.
Just long.
Yeah, supposed to.
Oh, okay.
PJ
Excuse me. Come
man.
back. You like the wristband?
Yeah.
Joshy, look. Yes. You like it? Oh no, you can't do that. No. Play with your toys.
Yeah, they're
Play
supposed
with
to be
your
driving
toys.
around the road, but it's not a big road. Wait, let me see that.
Yeah.
So some of them let it come out.
Joshua. There's no giant in the village.
What is he doing? We got
Okay.
I noticed the car go on there, right? What is he doing?
Josh.
Yes. I'm not cat boy, I'm gecko.
Wait, he's calling. Caleb is calling.
Calling Catboy. He's calling Catboy.
That's right.
Go,
Caleb.
Go get him.
Go get him, Caleb.
Go get him.
Get in your cat car, get in the cat car, get in the cat car, go. Josh just kicked you. Okay, get in the cat
Joshy.
car, go, go, go. Ah, no.
Josh,
No, sir. You are not villains.
no.
Together.
They break in the city.
Really? Y'all playing Baby Wars.
We gotta get a set without letting it.
Hey,
So Dieter can play.
that boy and Gecko don't
Hey,
fight.
hey, hey.
No.
Work together. Be
You
kind.
work together. Be
Be
nice.
kind. Work together. It's a team.
You're a team. Okay. Go ahead.
All right. Well, this was fun putting it together.
Yeah.
Hey.
I really like this. Uh-oh.
No! It's poison!
Search out my shirt.
Hey, you wanna play?
You're like, no, I don't want to play. Caleb, we got a surprise for you. I'm going to be playing your slideshow.
Get down, look! Who's that?
Caleb, look, baby.
No, that's you! Kayla!
When you was a baby.
You were chunky. See, Kayla?
Oh, look at
Kayla!
That's my sister. That's Caleb.
Kayla, yes!
Baba. Daddy, Baba.
Caleb,
Look, you sleep. Yes. That's recently.
You gotta get the TV. You gotta go up higher.
Look.
Yeah.
Look, baby.
Oh,
Kayla.
yeah.
Kayla.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the Josh. You gotta wrinkle back and forth.
Look, I can see his Kayla. Oh, look. See? Yes, this one. Look at Kayla. Look, Ginger.
I'm living in this short.
Lady.
Kayla.
Yay!
Yes. Wow.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kay.
Happy birthday, Caleb.
Yay! How'd you like it?
Oh, happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday. Okay, we outside. Uh-oh. Oh, like, uh-oh.
Hey, where's the red one? Oh, Mama got it. Oh, behind you, everybody. Where you going?
I know. I'm looking. Uh-oh.
It's cold outside.
Where you going? You can't come on. Okay, go ahead. Go
Wait, let me,
I'm gonna stay right here.
guys, I gotta tie this real tight.
Ready?
Because I feel like they're gonna be coming for me too.
Oh, wait.
Ready? Wait, you got some too?
I have it.
You ready?
You ready?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Oh my God. Wait, I think I got it all. Ooh, wait, no. Oh, wait, it's on my hair too. Did I get it all out? Yeah, I did. Joshy, wait.
Oh, no, there's still some in your back, Micah.
Wait, there is? Oh, goodness.
Oh, he didn't like it.
Give me a white.
You okay?
We got more.
Sprayed me.
You okay? Go. Oh, no. Come on, come on. Yes, thank you, God.
I'm the.
Out here.
Oh, goodness. I don't even know if I got all that.
All right. Happy birthday, Kayla. Happy birthday.
Oh,
I am not wet.
Happy birthday.
I am not wet at all.
Oh, wow.
I okay.
Wow.
I'm the only one who didn't get sprayed.
Me neither. Well, mom tried to spray me, but
I sprayed you. It's in your hair.
Yeah, I know.
That's mommy.
oh, can I see it?
Put it in my hair.
Guys, wait, he is. Okay. Thank you guys for. Stop it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to Armour and Sons plus her. Make sure you guys click that notification bell too. We are doing post notification shout outs. And yeah, the way you can get that is just like this video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and on our latest video, type in the comments, I subscribe. And you can also win one by following us on Facebook and Instagram. And even if you don't want one, just follow us on Facebook and Instagram because it'll be really fun. All right, see you guys later. Bye.
All right, Kayla. You ready? We gotta sing happy birthday. You ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!